Might take several minutes. I have just waited for 15 minutes and then this came up. So don't turn off your PC. Don't just shut it down from here. Okay. Yeah. Don't shut this from here. Shut down from here. Just wait and watch. Earlier we have a video. You can check that video for detailed installation procedure of Windows 11 or Windows 10 via VirtualBox in your host OS. That is, my machine is Windows 11. Okay. So this might take several minutes. Leave everything to us. So till this is saying leave everything to us, let's move on to our website. That is this. And you can get the access to the student resource portal from here, svlms.studentdriveacademy.com. You can get registered from here and you can get registered. After acknowledged, you can have our resources and you can get access to that. Learning content for Java batch, you can have that Java batch content because it is my drive open, so you can see the things here, but you will not see until I'm authorizing you. So learning content for Java bash, learning content for Python bash, learning content for DSML batch, and you can download the application APK from this part and see what. Yes, we have. Congratulations, installed. Okay, so just click on this. You can have Windows 11 and see. Still, it is not. This is actually Windows 10, which is a cracked version. Okay, so this is getting installed and getting things done. So just finished. We have Windows 10. If you want to use it, you can use it from Chrome. Okay. The UI which is here and the UI which is the here is really different. So this is Windows 11 and what you are witnessing is Windows 10. This is this PC. Just right click and see the properties. Okay. So we have this property window activate. Window is not activated. It is written here. Window is not activated. So don't worry. You can use window whatever you want to use. Okay. So this was our procedure for installation of Windows via virtual box. Thank you.